This is going to be a video tutorial on how to always restore your previous session tabs in the Chromium web browser. I will be using Ubuntu for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Chromium web browser opened up now. To always restore your previous session tabs in Chromium, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner, up to where you see the 3-dot hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now on the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Startup. Then on the center pane, under where it says On Startup, you want to toggle on the middle one here. Continue where you left off. When you start up Chromium, continue where you left off. That is how to always restore your previous session tabs in Chromium. Thanks for watching.